Somehow I missed off the last two questions. Don't know how I did that. So anyway, question 4 is why is area not the best indicator of tumour size? There could be different thicknesses. A tumour is a 3D object, a mass of cells. So area alone isn't the best. So they could use volume, mass or weight as a better indicator for the total size of the tumour, not just how big it looks in terms of area. Last question is a question that comes up, it's come up a few times before, the idea that you can't use a placebo on somebody who's sort of suffering from especially life-threatening illnesses, because if you didn't give them the current treatment then they'd likely die, so it's unethical. So you still have to give them the normal cancer drug, so all you can really do is compare the new drug against the current treatment.